How to make fall damage in Roblox Studio. Add a script to server script service. Writing the script. This script will cause the player to take damage when falling down a certain height. Set min height and max height as desired. If the fall height is below min height, the function returns 0. If the fall height is greater than max height, the function returns max health. Otherwise, it calculates scaled damage between min height and max height. When the player falls, the script records the starting height. When the player lands, the script calculates the fall height. The script determines how much damage the player should take. The player loses HP based on how far they fell. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.